Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for April 10th. We are looking at the U.S. Japanese yen pair. This pair surged to the downside today, closed almost on its lows. We are looking for it to potentially go lower. However, we could see it go as high as 82.16, possibly as low as 79.76. Look for some resistance around 81.30 and look for some support around 80.50. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair moved to the downside, kind of moving sideways over the past couple of sessions. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 132.05, possibly as low as 129.90. Look for some resistance around 131.50 and look for some support around 130.35. Now the pound-US dollar pair, this pair had a pretty large range, did close down for the day, moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 159.88, possibly as low as 157.50. Look for some resistance around 159.50 and look for some support around 158.05. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed up. Had a decent range day as well, moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9255, possibly as low as 0.9099. Look for some resistance around 0.9225 and look for some support around 0.9150. Now, as far as news analysis go, we have the Australian employment change for March as well as the unemployment change for March at 9:30 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. As far as the employment change, they're showing an increase from a negative 15.4K up to 6.5K. Unemployment rate showing an increase from 5.2% up to 5.3%, which of course would be negative news for the Australian dollar. Now, as far as what I'm looking at during this next session, if we back out of the Euro-USD a ways, we have somewhat of a head and shoulders formation, 3 points off of a trend line. Pretty strong evidence that when this line is broken, that we will see lower. If it's broken, we will see, and by broken I mean closed below that point, we will see lower prices. So it just is a matter of when that will occur and by how much will it move to the downside. Now we do have a, if we take this low, we can draw a horizontal line there to potentially project that. However, we will be going through a 0-0 level, and that could be a very strong area of support. This would be a 61 pip move. Using a risk to reward of 1-to-1, that puts your stop loss right through the middle here. So we'd want to definitely see a close below this and then see it move lower from there. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.